Welcome to SSP Tool Line. Today we're going to talk to you about a 4-piece Autobahn ratcheting adjustment wrench set. Easy and convenient, allows ratcheting without lifting off the fastener head. Lasered, fractional, and metric scale. Made of heavy-duty chrome vanadium steel. Powerful, light, and convenient. Ergo anti-slip groove handle. Fast, patented ratchet function jaw provides efficiency and allows the user to get the job done faster. This product has a lifetime warranty. This 4-piece kit includes a 6-inch, an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and the carrying pouch.
Visit us on the web at www.supercoproducts.com or place an order with your Superco sales rep today.